In this video, we are going to learn how to start and stop submersible starter from multiple places. You can see we have one submersible starter, and for starting this submersible starter, when you press start push button, so starter will start, and also start indicator is on, which indicates our starter is in start condition. Okay, and for stopping this starter, when you press stop push button, so starter will stop. Okay, so this wiring is known as local wiring. In local wiring, you can start and stop your starter with panel start stop push button. And if you want to start and stop your starter from multiple places, okay, we connect to first place where we have one stop push button, start push button, and also we connect a start indicator. Okay, if you have any building or any colony where you want to start and stop your starter, so this wiring is known as remote wiring. Okay, by remote wiring you can start and stop your starter from any other places. Okay, in this video, we want to control this submersible starter from 5 different places. You can control your motor starter from multiple places if you understand control wiring concept. Now, let's learn remote control wiring for this submersible starter. You can connect the same wiring for any model of submersible starter which you have. Okay. Now, let's start video and first understand start indicator wiring. Okay, can see in start indicator we just need to connect line and neutral. Okay, if line and neutral connects in indicator, so indicator will on. Okay, so same concept of all 5 indicators which you want to start. When local start indicator is on, so all indicators should on. Okay, same concept. If local indicator on, so all indicators should on. So first we connect 2 connectors from last indicator. Okay, first we connect 2 connector from last indicator, connect parallelly. Okay, we connect parallelly to indicator connection. If this indicator on, so also this indicator will on. Okay, now parallel connection from 4th to 3rd indicator. Okay, and from 3rd to 4th indicator. That means we connect to all indicators parallelly. Okay, with 2 wires. Now connect from 4th to 5th place indicator. Now all indicator is in parallel connection. If first indicator on, so all indicator will on. I hope you clear the concept. Now how to connect last indicator with local indicator. So you can see we have 2 wires in local indicator. So just we connect parallelly. Okay, all indicators parallelly. First we connect one connector here and connect to the local indicator one terminal. Okay, and also second terminal of this indicator, first connector here and second connector will connect to the second start indicator terminal. Okay, that means we connect to all indicator parallelly with local indicator. That means if local indicator is on, so all indicator will on and indicates motor is in running condition. Okay, so just we connect to all indicators parallelly with local indicator. If one indicator on, so all indicator will on and indicator motor is in running condition. I hope you clear the concept for start push button wiring. Same concept, just need to connect parallelly to all start push button. Okay, you can start your motor starter from any other places. Okay, so for wiring, just we connect to 2 connectors. Okay, all start push button will connect parallelly. So connect 2 connectors and connect first place start push button parallel to second start push button parallelly. If this push button on, that means you can start your motor from any other places. Okay, now same wiring for second place to third place. Just we connect a parallel connection for the start push button. You can start your motor starter from any other places where you want to start. Okay, now from third place to fourth place, just we loop 2 wires. Okay, now fourth place start push button is also loop. Same wiring for fifth place start push button. You can start your motor starter from any other places, from local or remote. From all 5 places you can start. Okay, now same concept for fourth place start push button to fifth place start push button. Just we loop fourth place start push button to fifth place start push button. Okay, so just we loop all 5 start push button Now it's most important where we connect this last push button wire to local push button. Okay. Now in submersible starter, in the start push button, you have two NO element. Okay. So you can use any of the NO element. Okay. So just we connect one start push button, one wire parallelly to start push button, and also second wire parallelly to start push button. That means we connect all remote start push button parallelly to local push button. Okay, and you can use any of the NO element of start push button. Okay, so same connection for start indicator connection is parallelly, start push button connection is parallel. Okay, now for stop push button wiring, it's most important for stopping this starter. It's most important from where we need to take supply from stop push button wiring. Okay, in stop push button we have NC element. Okay, we have NC element, so wiring is different. Okay, we just don't need to do wiring in parallel connection for stopping this starter, from where we just need to take supply. Now for stop push button wiring, you can take supply from many other places, but best place is that contactor coil. Okay, first identify from where contactor coil line supply comes. Okay, first identify line of contactor coil. Okay, so remove this line connector. Okay, first remove this line connector from contactor coil. In contactor coil you connect line and neutral, so first identify line wire and remove this line wire. Okay, and connect one connector. Okay, first we remove line connector here and connect one connector and connect to the last stop push button NC element. Okay, last push button NC element, in normal condition supply will pass. Okay, normal condition supply will pass when you press this push button, so supply will cut off. Okay, so just need to connect a series connection of all stop push button. Okay, so for the stop push button, first push button NC element output connect in second push button NC element, and connect the second push button output to third place, and output of third connect to the fourth stop push button, and output of fourth push button connect to the fifth place. That means all stop push button wiring is in series connection. Okay, you can stop your starter from any of the push button. Okay, now last push button wire connect and operate this contactor coil. So we just remove this connector from coil and make series connection of all stop 5 push button. Okay, you can connect the same wiring from many of the stop push button you have. Okay, so you can see when you start push button, your starter will start, and you press stop push button, so starter will stop, because in the stop push button wiring is in series connection of all push button. Now let's summarize all connection. We connect start indicator wiring is in parallel. Okay, and also start push button wiring is in parallel of local start push button. Okay, so start indicator and start push button wiring is in parallel, and for stop push button wiring just we mix in series connection of contactor coil. Okay, I hope you clear the concept how to control submersible starter from 5 places or many places. Okay, if you like this video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today's enough, we'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.